When you open Pro Tools, this is what your session tends to look like. This is your edit window, and it harbors all of your waveforms. And you'll notice that those waveforms are in track lanes. And those track lanes, if you follow them on screen, have information and labels along the side. So in this instance, the label here refers to the track in the green that goes across horizontally in the edit window. But if we switch over to the mix window, you'll also see that that same track is highlighted here down at the bottom. And there's that track in the mix window. The edit window is responsible for making edits to the actual track files. The mix window is responsible for mixing, providing balance, and processing and routing of those files.